Alright, good morning and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Rafael from spreaddigital.com, and in this tutorial I'll actually be teaching you how to create a flyout menu. What I actually mean by a flyout menu, if you come to my website, if you notice I have other menu, but if I click on this guy, you notice there is a menu that just fly out now. You can customize to whichever way that pleases you, okay? You can put your product here, you can put anything on this flyout menu. I'll also be teaching you how to add this social share button at the top of your menu. So without wasting time, let's log in and start the work. The first thing you need to do is to log into your dashboard, your WordPress dashboard. Sometimes when you log into your WordPress dashboard, you see this customization. But in some cases, if you do not see it and you are in your dashboard, just scroll down. You can see appearance, hover over appearance, you can still see customize, okay? Once you click on customize, it will bring you to this page here. To bring you to this page here, then click on header builder, okay? If you notice here, can you notice there's plus icon here? There's another plus icon here. So these are three sections of the menu. This is the top menu, this is the second menu, and this is the footer. For instance, if you come to my website, this is the top menu, top bar menu, and this is the second one. Okay, this is the first one, this is the second one. So what we need to do is to click on this plus icon so that we can search for the menu. Well, what we're looking for is a toggle button. Okay, look at it here. Click on this guy. Okay, if you notice, there's something that just appeared here right now. So let's click on it. Let me show you so we can set it the way we want. On the off canvas. Okay. Now if you notice, this is a flyout and this is a full screen. This is a drop down. Okay, whichever way you want it. Now it's on the flyout. You can see it's on the right hand side. I may decide to put it on the left hand side, but I'm going to leave it the way it is now. Okay, then update. Let's go back, let me show you. Now if I click on this guy now, you can see the menu has appeared. But what happens when we click on it now? When we click on it, you notice it has appeared. Okay, you can see this is the menu that we just added. If you wish, you can take it to the left, publish. If you go back, you can see it's now on the left, no longer on the right. Okay, so this is how you can actually create a flyout menu. Then the next thing I said I was going to teach you is a social share button. Let's say we're going to add it here. Just click on this plus icon, then search for social. You can see this is social, just click on it, then click on it. If you notice, it has been added at the top right. Now you may decide to add more buttons. If you click on this add more, you notice one will be added. You can see another one will be added. Now for you to insert your URL, all you need to do is just to click on, let's say I want to insert my Facebook URL, just click on this guy here. You can see this is URL. You can now type in the or copy the URL and paste it here so that when person click on, let me just copy this URL here. Okay, I'm going to paste this URL of my website here. I'm going to publish it. Okay, now if I go back to this guy here, or let's view it from an incognito window. Let me copy this guy. Okay, let's paste it. Okay, this is the once you click on this, you can see this is the flyout menu. Now if I click on this Facebook now, it will take me back to my website. Okay, so this is how you can actually create a flyout menu, and also how to add your social share menu at the top of your listing. So all you need to do is to start editing all of them. If you go down, click on this guy, you edit it. Click on this guy, you edit it. This is how you're going to edit all of them. And if you want to add more, just click on this guy here and you add more. Now let's say you want to add um let's say this guy here, you want to add this number. All you need to do, click on this guy here and search for, let me search for HTM1. Okay, once you highlight it, once you click on it, you need to click on it so that I can be able to edit it. Okay, any of them you click on, after selecting it, ensure that you click on it to enable you edit whatever you want to edit. Okay, so now this is where you're going to type in the whatever you want. Let me say let me just type in number. Okay, let me say 08090F40. Let me just type it like this. Okay, just anything you can type, you can type it here. Then once you're done, click on update. Now if you go back to your listing and refresh, you can see it has been added to your listing. So this is how you can actually add, just settle down and add whatever that you want to add here. I just showed you how you can do it. That is exactly how I added this one on my website. Okay, so this site can actually create a flyout menu. But the issue with this flyout menu, you are going to use Astra. Yes, I'm using Astra, the add-on, the pro add-on. So in case you need the add-on, I'm actually going to drop an affiliate link. Using the link will not actually cost you more, but I'm going to benefit. I'm going to earn a commission for using my link. However, if you don't want to use my link, I actually buy it from any link, but it's not going to add additional cost to you. At least that is your own way of supporting my channel. Please, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, kindly do me a favor by clicking on that red subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so anytime I upload new videos, you'll be notified. Thank you and God bless you.